Orleans City Park is 1,300 acres. We are one of the largest urban parks in the nation. We like to tell people we're at least twice as big as Central Park in New York, so it's our claim to fame.
We're having a really interesting day because we're going to be seeing volunteers come out and plant native plants right along the shoreline here. They're going to be planting native irises and other shoreline plants to help stabilize this area from flooding.
The people that are out here working for Shell and for these other nonprofits, New Orleans is home for us, and South Louisiana is home for us. This is the natural beauty that attracts us to live in a place like New Orleans.
In our lagoons, we used to have these plants. The hurricane took them away, and now we have to help it and save it and put them back together. That's basically what we're here for, to help it go back to how it was before it's gone.
Okay, well, let's go start to restore some shore.
The 5-Star and Urban Waters program is a public-private partnership that supports these community on-the-ground projects. We're really excited about this program because it brings together a number of federal and non-federal corporate partnerships like EPA, Forest Service, Fish and Wildlife Service, as well as our corporate partners like Shell Oil Company, FedEx, and Southern Company. We bring together funding partners and then enable our grantees to bring together their partners on the ground.
This is our first real lagoon restoration project. 5-Star Urban Waters Grant initially was intended just to remove the water hyacinth, but we identified such a bigger opportunity. We've been dredging the lagoon and using the spoils from the dredging to rebuild the shoreline. We see this as a great opportunity to model what could be done not only here in the park, but in neighboring areas as well.
Anytime we can get out in nature and get our kids out here and spend some time and also getting your hands in the soil, it's really helpful.
I did this, so I feel like it's mine. It's part of me now, so I'll come back, and once we work together, we can save it. It's important. It was a part of us, so why would we let it go? That's why I feel.